Hey everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. My name is Chirag Vaishnav. So while in college, everybody is confused about projects, having a lot of questions in mind that will it help in my career goals or will it make my resume more impressive or can we make a startup product etc. So you need to know that building projects in college is something very important. It's not just about marks or grades, but it plays a vital role in shaping your career, whether it is landing you a dream job or leveraging you with a startup idea or any other. There are numerous examples of students who got placed in big tech companies despite of having an average academic score but with strong project portfolio. Having all this in mind, in this video we will discuss about the utmost importance of projects in colleges. But before this, let us tell you about Pro Geek Cup 2021 by Geeks for Geeks. It is the most recommended project competition for all the college students where they can work on something good and innovative and give their project ideas a jump start. To participate in this, you have to submit your project idea in an article format. You can also submit video format to present your idea. And prizes are just wow. There are exciting cash prizes for top 10 participants along with goodies and valuable certificates. So link to this amazing contest will be in the description. So do check it out and participate in this. And having that said, let's get started with the importance of project in colleges. So do watch till end. The first we are having is developer experience. So while working on a project, we have to learn many frameworks, work on different tech stack and sharpen our skills to make a product with real world application. If we have worked on a project that solves a real world application, it makes interviewer clear that apart from data structures and algorithm, we have worked on development by learning a skill and implementing it. And companies are fascinated by this aspect of your personality because at the end of the day, you have to do development only. And this adds like a star to your resume. In development, you can work on any application or website and integrate it with machine learning, augmented reality and a lot more. Second is makes resume impressive. If you have worked on a project or a product that you can showcase to others, it for sure makes a good impression as it states that you did some hard work behind it and it also boosts your confidence. Also having an applicable and innovative project in your resume is always beneficial. As in present scenario, most of the companies are having an interview round that is solely dependent on your resume. In this, they ask you questions about your resume, and if you are having some good projects, this round will be nothing but like a discussion to you. As you have created and worked on this project, you will be more confident and shine at this because all you have to do is just explain that project to the interviewer. But on the other hand, if you are not having some projects in your resume, this round will be more like a DSA round with Viva-like questions, and it can be more tough as compared to that. So it is always advised to have some good projects on your side as it always helps. Third in the list, we are having sincerity, dedication and teamwork. So in present scenario, companies are looking for serious and passionate person to join their team or company. And in college, if you have worked on some good college product, there are high chances that the particular company or organization will hire you, as your seriousness and dedication will appear in your project directly or indirectly. Also, if you worked in a team, it simply shows that you are a team person. You know how to work and coordinate well with a team. Also, an interviewer can judge following things based on your project, like attention to detail, passionate to chosen path, how to get curious at small things, how to collaborate with a team, hard work and a lot more. The fourth we are having is convert projects to startups. So apart from technical skills, college projects also help the student to develop their entrepreneur skills. As we all know that Google and Facebook were also college projects, but now Google is world's biggest organization and Facebook is world's biggest social networking site. So for this on a college level, what we can do, we can work on some innovative idea, try to generate some revenue out of it, make a team of like-minded people and continuously work and enhance your product. And in this way, you can start your startup journey from your college project. The fifth is earn money from freelancing. So while in college, you can satisfy your basic needs by earning money through freelancing. So if you are having some prior knowledge of working on some specific tech stack or technology, or if you are having some projects that can showcase your skills, you can earn money by developing projects for different clients. And to get clients, you can go to different freelancing websites like fiverr.com and build your own profile there and find clients by listing all the services that you can provide in the previous projects as well. Also, you can find such amazing opportunities on different websites like internshala.com and a lot more. So these were the 5 importance of college projects. I hope it was helpful. Also, you can refer to Geeks for Geeks website for a lot of project ideas. Also, make sure to participate in Pro Geek Cup 2021 by Geeks for Geeks. You will find the link in the description. So if you're having any doubt regarding whatever I have explained in this video, do ask in the comment section. I will for sure answer it. So do like this video, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.